What's up everyone, welcome to Young Studio, and in this video I will share with you how to do an aerial kick. So in this video I will share with you how I get my aerial kick. Now for some people, they said that this is a flip, okay? This is the easiest flip that you can get when the first time you train flip, okay? But let me tell you, this is not easy, okay? So be careful while you train your aerial kick. So I will make this video simple for you guys. I will tell you guys what is important in order to get your aerial kick faster and what you should train to get your aerial kick. Now for the first requirements, it's going to be front split and middle split, okay? Now having a good front split and middle split is going to give you a good range of motion while you open your leg in the air, okay? So it will make your area a lot more easier to learn, okay? Rather just doing area without a good flexibility, okay? That's going to slow down your progress. Remember that. Now for the second requirements, you have to do a leg workout, okay? So you have to make sure that you already have a strong leg in order to jump, okay? Because you know jump like aerial kick is pretty risky, okay? So make sure that you have a strong joint, strong muscle in order to perform aerial kick, okay? In order to perform many things, okay? Like movement, jump, okay? You need a flexible and strong muscle. So for aerial kick, okay, make sure you guys doing a lot of leg workout, okay? And now I will give you guys the movement, okay, the exercise that I did, okay, in order to get my aerial kick. So for the first exercise that I'm going to share with you is going to be back kick, okay, or the Chinese 后撩腿, okay? So this is really important exercise that you have to do regularly because when you do aerial kick, you have to kick hard, okay, in order to lift your body up in the air, okay? So you're not going to having problem with that later, okay? So make sure that you guys doing 后撩腿 regularly. For the second exercise is going to be blocking, okay? Now there's a lot of jump, a lot of flip, okay, with different block, okay? Now I will show you guys this blocking right now, okay? Now you have to do this blocking regularly in order to gain that power when you're blocking, okay? Boom, you can jump really high with that, okay? Now, like I said, different jump, different block, okay? So for this, make sure that you guys do this blocking regularly in order to gain that strength, that power, in order to jump, okay? And then combine it with 后撩腿, okay? In order to lift your body in the air easily, okay? So make sure that you guys doing your blocking regularly. And for the third exercise, make sure that you guys already have cartwheel, okay? Because if you can do cartwheel, okay, of course you cannot do aerial kick, okay? Now cartwheel, okay, I will show you guys some progress, okay, in order to get to this aerial kick. Now for the first progression is going to be with your two hands, okay? So you put your both hand into the ground, and then you're going to kick, okay? Now while you kick, I want you guys to feel the blocking, also the blocking, and the kick, okay, the whole twist. This is super important. You guys need a good coordination, okay? So make sure you train this cartwheel, okay, this aerial kick style cartwheel, okay, regularly, okay, with a full concentration, okay. While you're doing this, okay, you need coordination, okay. You have to combine whole twist, blocking, and running, okay, running at the same time, okay, in order to gain that power, okay, before you jump up in the air, okay. And after that, you guys can try cartwheel with one hand, okay. And after that, you guys can try jump first, okay, and then not touching the ground, okay. Just feel that your body is on the air, and then just put your hand on the ground, okay. Now this progression is really like the last progression, okay. Now when you do this jump, okay, when you jump, okay, I want you guys to feel that coordination, okay, between whole twist, okay, blocking, and running at the same time, okay, and then poof, okay, up in the air, and then from this, okay, I want you guys to pull that leg, okay, pull that leg. That's why it's super important to train your whole twist, okay, and have a good flexibility in order to achieve a good aerial kick, right? Good aerial kick, okay, not the other aerial kick, but good aerial kick. So you're going to run, and then you're going to block, and then you're going to kick, okay. When you kick, you have to feel that your body is at the air, okay, it's in the air, and then just don't rush, okay, to put your hand to the ground, okay. I want you guys to feel that your body is elevated, okay. This is super important, okay. Put your concentration full on that motion, okay. So on the air, okay, I want you guys to try to slowly, okay, do not rush, put your hand to the ground, okay, and also feel that your leg is pulled down, okay, in order to standing back, okay, from that air position, okay. So you run, block, kick, okay. Now it's super important to feel your body is elevated, okay, and then put your hand on the ground, okay. If you keep doing this, okay, eventually you will feel you will gain strength, okay. You will gain strength, coordination, the power, the speed, and then finally when you run, you block, you kick, okay, and suddenly, okay, you're standing, okay. So that's how you get your aerial kick, okay. So that's basically how I get my aerial kick, okay. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, okay. If there's any mistake, I'm sorry, okay. And if you guys haven't get the aerial kick, okay, don't worry, you will get it one day, okay. Rome can be built in one day, okay. So keep training, okay, keep practicing, stay motivated, stay inspired, okay, and most importantly, enjoy your training. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is useful and entertaining as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.